Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video, I am going to be deep cleaning my home. I want to start deep cleaning my home before the holiday decorating starts coming around. If you enjoy watching content like this, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. It definitely helps support my channel. And if you're not subscribed, you can hit that red subscribe button down below, and we are going to jump right into today's video. But I'm going to get a coffee first, so let's get going. Before I get started, I'm gonna make me a brown sugar honey iced espresso. I've already had a long day. Let's see, it's about 12:30. I went to go and water my daughter's garden, watered mine before I went. Then after that, I had a chiropractor appointment, and then I had another errand to go run. And came home, I was starved, and so I ate lunch, and we usually get a little bit groggy after lunch, but I really want to get my house deep cleaned before I start decorating for fall, which I will start going through all of my fall decor just so I can see what I have. So that will be, after this video, we'll have part 2, and then I will have my fall decorating, a planning video, so I'll have that up in the next week or two. And then after that, I'll probably start decorating for fall the beginning of September. Last year, I feel like I decorated just way too early, and I know as a YouTube influencer, everybody's probably decorated by now or getting ready to do it. But for me personally, even though I am a YouTube influencer, I like to stay real and just decorate with what feels right for me. And anyway, I hope it gives you guys inspiration, but I'm gonna get this coffee going. That way I can start deep cleaning. I like to brew my espresso in this cup. I just feel like this adds a nice little touch to my iced espresso. Now I added about 3 of these spoons of brown sugar and then some honey into this, and this is a double shot of Nespresso. Beautiful. Alright, gonna take a few drinks of this, and then we gotta get cleaning. So good. Alright, let's get to it. so my home has desperately needed a deep clean. I'm gonna start off just a day at a time and just start deep cleaning my home as much as possible before the fall season gets here. But I'm gonna start here, and lots of dirtiness. I also need to paint my trim. I will worry about that later. So I'm gonna start with this area here. And all I put in my bucket is just warm water, some Dawn dish soap. So I'm going to start from the top and then make my way down to the bottom. I deep cleaned in my kitchen yesterday. What I want to do is clean my pantry doors. I have a lot of fingerprints on it, and then I have my second pantry door and it's got fingerprints on it as well. I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be taking off my curtains here and wash them. Then I will be washing the cushion covers for my couches. My battery ended up dying on my camera, so I did not get to film me taking off the covers off of my sofa cushions. So I took them off, washed them, put them back on and whatnot. And then to end the deep cleaning, I did vacuum and mop. But you guys, be sure to stay tuned for part 2 of my whole house deep cleaning. As I mentioned, I want to deep clean before I start decorating for fall. So that'll be in my in about 2 weeks from now, so be sure to stay tuned. But thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you soon. Bye.